Departure, American 25, check, 2597, checking in 2.5, climbing via Harper's, we need to level off at 8,000.
American 2597, roger, climb maintain 8,000.
8,000, and we're doing 215, we got to work some problems, we'll call you back.
Okay, so use your discretion, American 2597, just let me know what you need.
Departure, American 2597.
Yes, sir.
Okay, for official purposes, pan. 2597 is working a trim issue. We'd like to stay at 8,000 feet. This airspeed and this heading, we're going to require radar vectors, but we have plenty of time to work this problem. We need to burn off some gas.
American 2597, roger, fly present heading, maintain 8,000, and advise when you get something figured out.
Present heading 8,000, we'll call you back, 2597.
American 2597, we're going to declare an emergency. Can I get fuel remaining as of this time and and souls on board when able?
Stand by. Alright, American 2597, we got 4.5 hours fuel on board, 178 total souls.
American 2597, roger, thank you. American 2597, are you able to take any turns?
2597, we can take turns, yes sir.
American 2597. American 2597, turn right, heading 010.
Right turn, 010, American 2597. Departure, American 2597.
2597, go ahead.
So just for your planning purposes, we're going to need probably 20, 25 minutes until we're ready to come down. But when we do, just confirm 18 right is still the longest. I know 18 left was shortened, right?
That is correct, sir, yes.
That'll be our game plan. We'll set up just for a long straight in ILS 18 right.
No problem, sir. And the KOT, I'll pretty much just kind of do what I'm doing right now. It's kind of boxing around to the west out there. You're kind of out of the way of everything. And yeah, whenever you're ready, just give us a shout. We'll get you worked in.
Appreciate it.
American 2597, turn right, 360.
Turn 360, American 2597. This is working out perfect. Thanks for the vectors.
Yeah, no problem. I figure I'll just do a couple more boxes out here. Whenever you're ready, we'll get you worked in.
Bingo. Hey, departure, American 2597.
2597, go ahead.
When we'll make one more probable lap up here and start working our way down towards the straight in. When we do stop, we are going to be pretty overweight, so if you will have the trucks there, we appreciate it, and we will require a brake check. We'll plan on clearing the runway prior to the brake check, so we won't shut down your runway.
American 2597, that sounds perfect, sir. Turn to the right, 100. 00,
American 2597.
American 2597, turn right, 180.
180, American 2597. Approach American 2597.
Go ahead.
2590, American 2597, we are ready to proceed inbound at your leisure. We can start hitting and get sequenced in and looking for low.
American 2597, roger, no problem. And let's see. One quick question, just whenever you get an update, I just need the fuel remaining now that you've burned some.
American 2597, fuel remaining on board is 4 hours, and just to pass the tower, we will probably be rolling out towards the end for braking purposes.
American 25, no problem. That is no problem, sir. You are cleared to DFW Airport via radar vectors. Let's make it a right turn, heading 270, and we'll get you set up for a nice long final.
270, heading roger, American 2597.
2597, current winds of DFW are 20013, 10 miles visibility, altimeter is 2990, 2990, and information Golf is current.
29990, copy all, American 2597.
American 2597, descend to maintain 6,000, heading 360.
6,000, 360, heading American 2597, in the event of miss, can we get vectors on the go instead of the published?
Yeah, actually, the arrival controller will give that for you. I'll be sure that they give it to you.
Right, 2597, copy. Down to 6,000.
American 2597, contact approach on 119.87, 1987.
1987, American 2597. Thanks for your help, sir.
No problem. See you later.
Hey, Birch, good afternoon. American 25 and 97, emergency aircraft out of 7,500 for 6,000 vectors, ILS 18 right. Hey, Birch, good evening. American 2597, emergency aircraft 55 for 5,000.
American 2597 approach, thanks. Do you want to be wings level by the time you get to Ickle, or do you want to turn and beam it to turn final and join around Johan, maybe south of Johan?
No, we don't need to be wings level Echo. We can square the turn, but we'd like to have a pretty much straight away from there.
Sounds good. American 2597, in the event of a missed approach, you are requiring a straight out 170, 180 heading off departure. Is that what I said? Are you able to, or is that what you said? Are you able to turn west, southwestbound, or no?
We can make the turn, but the publisher's a pretty aggressive turn to the southeast initially, or southwest initially. So initially, till we get to good vectoring altitude, we like to be straight out.
American 2597, okay, in the event of a missed approach, there won't be any rush, but fly heading 190, if that'll work. 190, come and maintain 3,000. Will that work?
190, 3,000 works perfectly.
American 2597, turn right heading 090. American 2597, turn right heading 100, descend and maintain 4,000. We'll keep you inside Bravo the entire time.
Local 100 heading and 4,000, American 2597.
American 2597, turn right heading 150, intercept localizer.
150 to join the local, American 2597.
American 2597, 8 miles from Legray, maintain at or above 3,000 till established localizer. Cleared, ILS, runway 18 right approach.
Maintain at or above 3,000 to join the localizer and cleared for the ILS 18 right, American 2597.
American 2597, everything good? Ready to switch the tower? Need anything else from me?
Negative. I appreciate all your help, sir. Ready to switch tower, American 2597.
American 2597, you're welcome. Contact DFW Tower on 135.7. Take care.
135.7, American 2597. Appreciate you. With you.
Bye.
And DFW Command, full control. Next aircraft land will be the emergency aircraft currently on a 1-2 mile final.
Tower, good afternoon. American 2597 emergency aircraft joining for the ILS 18 right outside Legray.
American 2597 DFW Tower, runway 18 right, clear to land. Missed approach instructions will maintain 3,000, turn right heading 190.
On the go, in event of a missed 190 heading 3,000, and I understand clear to land 18 right, American 2597.
DFW Command, American 2597 is on frequency 135.7. American 2597 DFW Command is also on frequency.
Roger, American 2597, and just for planning purposes, we do plan to roll to the end of the runway or towards the last exit there.
American 2597, roger.